Hey guys, Assad here, and you're gonna learn about reflect.defineProperty. So let's begin. What we're gonna do is create a const and name it as object1 and equals an empty object. Sorry about that. An empty object. Now what we're gonna do, use if inside that reflect that define property, and inside that we will use object 1 comma property, and here's comma, and here's value 42. When we're done with that, what we're gonna do is use the assign method and log it on a console. Here's property created. That would be good sentence though. Created. And what we're gonna do is create a else statement and log it on a console and type problem creating property 1. After that, when we're done with that, we'll go and log it on a console object 1 dot property 1. Expected output should be 42 because we gave it that. Hence property created undefined. What that means, I did something wrong. Oh, sorry about that. This will be property 1. Yeah, property 2. So the thing is about that is we need to pass that like property 1 like that, so to be work as this, and when we do that it will create that value. If because it created it, that's why it did the console log method, and when we're done with that with property 1, this is gonna do that for us. So it's just another way to define a property of an object like the set and gets. So that's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.